Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start with a new chapter, chapter number 4, that is part 4, and the name of the chapter is Vyanjan Adhe Akshar. Adhe means half, Akshar means letter. So kids, in Hindi you might have noticed few half letters. So here in this class we will be discussing about those half letters. So before that, let's do a small revision about the Vyanjan letters. So you all know that Vyanjan letters consist of Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar. So you can see here these are the Swarakshar, that is A, I, U, Ri, E, O, Au, Ang, Aha. So these are the Swarakshar. Next, we'll see the Vyanjanakshar. These are the Vyanjanakshar. They are Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ya, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Next, Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. So these are the Vyanjanakshar. Now here in this chapter we will be discussing the half letters. So all these Vyanjanakshar, they have the half letter form. Let's see it. Here first we will discuss about a symbol. So this is the symbol, a slant line, and this symbol is known as halant. So whenever we write this symbol with any Vyanjanakshar, that is Vyanjanakshar Ka plus halant symbol, this means the half form of Ka. Once again, we use this halant symbol to represent a half form of that particular Vyanjanakshar. Now you all know that Vyanjanakshar Ka is formed by writing the half form of Ka plus A ki matra. That means this A has no symbol. So Ka with hal symbol, that means half form of Ka, plus A ki matra, that means there is no symbol, and when we join these two we get Vyanjanakshar Ka. So this is the way how the Vyanjan letters are formed. So in this chapter we will be discussing the half form of all the Vyanjan letters. So you can see here the first one is Vyanjanakshar Ka. When we write this Ka with hal symbol or halant symbol, that means this is half of Ka, and this is the way to write half of Ka. You can see here there is no bend in the half letter Ka. Next one is Kha. Kha, half of Kha, and here you can see there is no standing line. This is half of Kha. Next one, Vyanjanakshar Ga. Half of Ga we write with no standing line. Next Vyanjan letter is Gha. This is half of Gha, and here also there is no standing line. Next Vyanjanakshar is Nga, and this is the way to write the half form of Nga, that is the letter with the hal symbol, and rarely we use this half form of Nga. So this is Vyanjanakshar Cha, and this is the half form of Cha, that is with no standing line. Next one is Cha, and this is the half form of Cha, that is the letter with the halant symbol. Next one is Vyanjanakshar Ja, and this is the half form of Ja, that is there is no standing line. Next one Jha, and here also the half form has no standing line. Next Vyanjanakshar is Iya. Iya also the standing line is missing. So these are the half forms of Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha and Iya. Now the next one is ta, and this is the half form for ta, that is the letter with the hal symbol. Next one it's tha. Tha also it's written with the halant symbol. Da, this is also written with the halant symbol. Next one is dha. Dha also it's written with the hal symbol. So all these 4 Vyanjan letters, that is ta, tha, da, dha, the half forms are written with the halant symbol. Next one is Vyanjan akshar na, and this is the half form of na, that is there is no standing line. Next Vyanjan akshar is ta. So here you can see the half form of ta, that is half form is without the standing line. Next one it's tha. Here also there is no standing line in the half form. Next letter is da. So da is written with the halant symbol. Next Vyanjan akshar is dha. So the half form of dha is without the standing line. And the next Vyanjan akshar is na. Half of na is without the standing line. So this was about the Vyanjan akshar ta, tha, da, dha, na. Next Vyanjan akshar is pa. Half form of pa is without the standing line. Next Vyanjan akshar is fa, and here in this half form of fa you can see the bend part is missing. Next Vyanjan akshar is ba, and the half form of ba has no standing line. Next Vyanjan akshar bha. Here also there is no standing line. Next Vyanjan akshar ma. Ma also in the half form it has no standing line. Now the next set of Vyanjan akshar ya. Ya, here in the half form you can see there is no standing line. Then the next Vyanjan akshar is ra, and this ra has 3 types of half forms. So ra we will discuss in the next class. Next Vyanjan akshar is la, and the half form of la you can see there is no standing line. Next one is va. Va also in the half form there is no standing line. Next it's sha. So here also in the half form there is no standing line. Next letter is cha. Cha also it has no standing line in the half form. Next Vyanjan akshar is sa. Sa also has no standing line. The next letter is letter ha, and ha we write the half form of ha with the halant symbol. So these are the half letter forms of all the Vyanjan akshar. So what you have to do? You have to write all the letters plus the half form in your Hindi notebook, and then you have to submit in Teams. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.